Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 4 side hustles you could use to make money online. So these side hustles are going to be making you $100 a day. So right now, before I dive into the video, I would advise you like this video right now, subscribe to my channel right now, because it really motivates me a lot in creating videos like this on how you guys could make money online. So right now, side hustle number 1 is freelancing. If you don't know what freelancing means you offering a kind of skills in return for money. So you need to have a kind of skills in order to make money. For example, you need to have like graphic design skills, video editing skills, website designing. So you could literally sell these skills to platform like Fiverr, Upwork, and they're gonna get you paid. So right now I'm gonna be moving up to the side hustle number 2 that you could use to make. Side hustle number 2 is YouTube, and in order to make money from YouTube, you need to have some requirement, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order to start earning money from Google AdSense, from ads placed on your ads. So there are various ways you could literally make money on YouTube. You could literally make money from affiliate marketing, sponsored deals and partnership, and also you also make money from ads placed. Side hustle number 3 is affiliate marketing, and in order to make money from affiliate marketing, you need to have a blog or a kind of traffic source that's going to be making a lot of sales to your affiliate link. So you need to have, is either you have a paid blog or a free blog. So you need to know how to write blogs, you need to know how to write articles around your affiliate link, so you know how to make money, and also you need to know how to say, you know how to start making money. So right now let's move off to side hustle number 4. Side hustle number 4 is transcribing. So what transcribing means is, if you know you have a skills to transcribe in different kind of language, you could literally transcribe in English, in Hindi, in Japanese, on the kind of stuff. So you need to learn how to know how to transcribe articles and videos into text. So this is how you could literally make money from. I hope you guys have gotten a value from the video. So if you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and drop me a comment in case you have any question. So if you are thinking of learning these skills, if you know you want to learn this kind of skills I've just mentioned right now, the links are going to be down in the comment section below. Go check them out, and I'm going to show you guys in my next video.